Hello guys! In this video, we're going to talk about how to transform raw photos into professional images. But before we begin, please hit that like button to show us your support and help our videos reach more people. Now let's get started. Do you need to transform your raw photos into professional looking images? Plask is an AI 3D animation editor and motion capture tool. It helps the user to automate the animation of the movements made by the character. You can change the pose of a person using the tool. On Plask's homepage, you can view thumbnails of sample 3D images generated by the AI. Now let's select an image. You can see here that it shows a 3D plane image of this photo. Now click the Get Started button to sign up for an account or continue with your Google account. And this window shows you how to animate this 3D image. Here are the controls that you'll need. Press these keys to rotate your viewpoint. Pan viewpoint allows you to move the image as what you can see in this window. And lastly, you can describe an image that you'd like to render. So you can use short and precise descriptions so that you can use the AI to render this image. Next, try to apply the presets available. Now let's try generating an image. This example shows a description of this image. All keywords describe what we want the AI to render. It includes the gender, the type of their occupation, the color of the clothes, and more keywords for the quality of the image. Now click Render. Here's the image generated. You can see 4 thumbnails that you can choose from. It shows different clothes of this model. You can download all these images. Let's choose one of the presets available. If you want to edit this image, just add more keywords that describe how you want this image to look, which is the color of the clothes. This is the default pose. You can use your keys to rotate this pose. As you can see, we can use this control to rotate the position of this character. Just click on the joints, and you should see these circles and point to where you want to edit. This icon will allow you to move this part in the direction that you want it. Now let's try and generate this image. Click Render. Now this image and the hand position look better. We can download these images, then save and publish them. Set a title here, and this image can be shared with our community. Now let's try to upload an image. Once you upload an image, this window shows you the 3D image pose of this photo. Now we can use this 3D pose to describe an image that we want to render. So if you have images available on your computer, you can upload it using the Image to Pose button. Then use the pose to generate an image. Keep adding keywords to describe the image that you want the AI to generate. So that's it for today's video. But before the video ends, here's something you shouldn't miss. If you need to turn every prospect into a client using hyper-personalization on Facebook, LinkedIn, emails, and landing pages, we have a marketing app that can help you get more replies, conversions, and sales from every message you send. It's called Selly. You can personalize image messages for LinkedIn prospecting and personalize image messages for Facebook marketing. Direct outreach is the simplest way to win new clients and grow your business. First, find leads using social sites, directories, and search engines. Create a prospect list of your best customers. Next, collect contact data for your reach out. Choose the right reach out strategy. Select the right channel for your client and market. Then send your message. Reach out and start turning leads into customers. So try Selly now. Go to the URL getselly.in. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.